What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to do this video on the radiator guard install on my BMW S1000RR. So as you can see down here, here's the radiator, and see how exposed it is when you're riding it, and of course any little rock that comes up can damage this, and the worst thing of course is having it leak when you're out in the middle of nowhere, and that kind of ruins your fun, you know, for the day. Having to get a tow truck to come and pick it up. I speak from experience, or if it's not me, it's some of my buddies that I ride with. So it's always good to get the radiator protected. So let's go right over here. So we're gonna do this. So I already have that. So I got this on Moto Million. So this is the bottom portion of it. And of course it has like the stickers, and then these stickers you can put them on here, but I kind of like the whole black look. So this one's the bottom portion, and then this is the one that's going to cover the main portion of the radiator. There we go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the lower fairing. I'm gonna take out all of these bolts, and then in the middle is an inner fairing that goes all the way up, which is usually one piece. I believe it's connected not only by all of the bolts that are in here, but it also has a little bolt in the center, and then that needs to be taken out. So once this is out, I should be able to undo this one and the other bolts that are up there at the top, and then I should be able to slide in the top radiator guard. This looks like it's the last one. Let's see. Real quick, basically before I take that off, the radiator guard, when it goes in there, you see that little notch right there? With the hole right there, that is what's gonna go in there to help hold it up. So that's why I'm removing that piece. So it comes with these little rubber pieces here, because when you put the radiator guard on, it does sit flush up there, but right over here, there's a gap. So I think that's why they did that. So I'm just peeling this off, gonna stick it on here. So then when I tighten everything down, it should be a nice snug fit. Okay, and here's the finished product. So the radiator guard is now completely installed. Not sure if you could see that, but completely installed. Let's see, go around here. I think it's kind of cool too because it's black, so it kind of matches with the black of the bike. Let's get another look at it. Put the bolts back in, everything looks good. And now I have complete protection on my radiator side in case any rocks or debris come up and hit it. Should be protected where that metal shield will just have the rocks and debris bounce right off of it, and I can continue my riding and enjoy and have a great time. Thanks for watching.